welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here at Chalok Baan Kao Bay, I believe is how you say it. Sometimes the Thai words get me all confused. Anyway, we're over at one of the best beaches here on Koh Tao. It's known for being the quietest beach, and it has some of the best sand that you'll see. It's the third largest beach on the island. And so we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna try to get the drone out and fly it over so you can see. The tide is up, so we don't have as much of the sand as we normally have. But anyway, it should still be nice. So let's look around. All right, I'm at the furthest west of the beach right now. This is on the south end, and this just shows you kind of the bay. There are some hotels, little dive shops, all of that, but it is nothing compared to what it looks like over by the pier and Sairi. And if you go around that point over there, that is Freedom Beach, which is a pretty famous beach. It's also a pretty quiet one, but they charge you now 50 baht to get into Freedom Beach. So this one here is still free. So we're right here on a little pier that they have at the end, and I walked out there just to kind of take a look, and then you can see. So the tide is in. Normally when it's low tide, you'll have, I don't know, 5 more meters or so of the beach, but we don't need much more than this. So let's go enjoy this sand. All right, so here we are, right here on the beach, and you can see the sand is quite nice on this beach. It's probably some of the best sand on the island. And it is a nice little gentle slope, and out there it's pretty shallow. There's quite a bit of coral and all of that. And I've seen some people out with their snorkeling gear, so probably a good place you could just swim around in here. But you'd have to be careful because of the boats. But it does look like they have a center channel right here that's got some buoys around it so people can swim. And then I don't know if any of the tours come here to this bay. The tours that go around the island, they usually go to like Chalok Bay and all of that, which is down here at this end. Chalok Bay is on the other side of this little rock over here. Same as Freedom Beach, and there's a couple other little beaches that they keep private, where they charge you 50 or 100 baht to get in, or they have it just where only hotel guests can go there. But here the water is fantastic, and it's super clear. It's got a nice blue color to it. All right, we're gonna have to dodge this tree. Looks like over here we got a volleyball net, and everybody is doing some sunning. And we have the hydronauts diving, and then a little beach bar with the hotel and everything here. I don't see a name on that one. They have some music playing, so if you can hear this, I didn't get a copyright strike for it. YouTube is so strict. If there's like 5 to 10 seconds of music that can be heard, they'll strike the whole video. And whoever played the music or whoever licensed that music will get the revenue of the whole video for 5 or 10 seconds. But it is what it is. Oh, this is kind of cool. Some people have came and strung some coral together and hung it from this tree like a Christmas tree. And we have another hotel here with some dive shops and stuff. The Chalok diving resort. Now, most of the serious divers go over to Sairi. That's kind of what built that island, or that beach itself, was all the dive companies and everything. But there's so many people that come to Koh Tao to go diving or snorkeling that it just kind of goes everywhere. This isn't too hard to get to. If you come to the main pier, you can rent a motorcycle, and right now motorcycles are renting for 250 baht a day. And they also have some, like hotels have the transfers and everything that can bring you over here. Now, if you rent a motorcycle, be really careful. I've seen 2 people lay the motorcycles over since I've been on the island in a day. There's a lot of sand, plus the roads are pretty uneven. and they're pretty steep in a lot of places. So if you've never ridden a motorcycle before, now's not the time to learn. I mean, they are just little 125 scooters, but they still are bad enough you can get really hurt if you crash it. And some more little beach bars. The Nava. Over here is the little beach bar, or the chill beach bar. And a little bit of shade. The one drawback is that there is not a lot of shade on this beach. If you go to the mainland, a lot of times they'll have all those big, huge sea pines that'll be on the beach. But here, you don't get that. They just have kind of this little scruffy bush here. We got some people going out snorkeling there. You can see he's quite a bit out, but he was just standing up. So not too bad for families and people that are a little worried about swimming. Yeah, I really like this beach. This beach is fantastic. The sand is what you come to these beaches in the south for. And it's super clean. They don't have a lot of trash out here. They pick it up if any of it washes up. So many of the Thai beaches, you'll have trash that wash up and then nobody cleans them up. So you have the plastic bottles and all of that. But here it's super nice. It looks like the tide is starting to go out a little bit, but it's still way up. Now getting to Koh Tao is pretty easy. I mean, you're off the mainland, so it does involve taking a ferry to get over here. If you take the like the high-speed ferries, the Lampraya, you're over here to the island in like an hour and 45 minutes or so. But you do have to be wary if it's stormy season. You can get stranded out here on the island because they'll close the ferries down and until the storms pass. So you could wind up being out here for a couple extra days or so. But most of the time, you don't have to worry. That's maybe once every year, every other year, something like that. They did close it down a couple times this year, but usually they can still operate. Now I took a ferry with the Lampraya. I did the bus and the ferry, and I got down here for 1,250 baht. And you can see the video I post where it says getting to Koh Tao. If you want to know a little bit more details like that, I'll pin a comment with it. So $45 you can be down here one way, and that includes the price of the ferry. And the ferry itself is 600 baht if you just do it as a solo traveler. All right, everybody. So that's going to finish up a quick video of Chalok Baan Kao Bay. This is a great beach. It's, to me, I like it better than pretty much most of them on the island. It's a lot quieter. The sand is fantastic. And it's the third longest just sandy beach. And it's really worth your time to get over here and check this out. It's on the southern part, so you need to get a motorcycle to get over here or arrange transportation with your hotel or whatever. But once you're here, it's cool. You can relax and enjoy your time. The atmosphere is so much more quiet and laid back than it is at Sari Beach, the main beach by the pier. That has all the nightclubs and the loud music playing. So if you want to get away from that, come over here and relax on the beach. There still is the restaurants and hotels, so you still have all the amenities, but it's a lot more laid back local feel. So anyway, if you like the video, make sure you click like. This takes a second, smash it. And if you want to come here or have any questions, let me know. Or if you've been here, tell me what you think. I'd really like to know kind of what you thought about this beach in a comment. And if there's something else you want me to see, also tell me, and I'll do my best to make a video of it. And if you want, subscribe, and then you're notified when I post a new video. I do a lot of videos, I'm pretty active, and I show you things in Thailand, what I see, and tell you a little bit about what I know. So if you like that, then definitely subscribe, and then you're notified when I post a new video. And so from anyway, over here in Koh Tao, remember, life is a journey. Not every day you get to enjoy a nice place like this. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And until next time, enjoy.